Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a helicopter. Let's start off by drawing the body of the helicopter with a large rounded shape that's pointed slightly on one side. For the tail, draw a line going up and to the right that flattens out a bit more like this. Above that, draw a slightly angled line going to the right that makes a sharp 45-degree angle and then turns again with a shorter line here. Under that, draw a circle with a thin line for the tail propeller. This is the part that helps the helicopter turn. To finish off the tail, draw a short angled line from this end to the propeller. For the top propeller, draw a big wide oval like so. Then, connect the top of the helicopter to the middle of the oval with a short line. For the windshield, draw a slightly curved horizontal line here, followed by a similar line above, and connect those ends with a vertical line. For the door, draw a tall rectangle to the right of the windshield, with a small, thin oval on the right side for the door handle. For the legs, draw two short lines going out from the body of the helicopter. And add a line underneath with a curved front part that looks like skis. To add some more detail, draw three short lines on the windshield to make it look like glass. And on the top propeller, draw a wide X to make it look like it's spinning really fast. Do the same for the tail propeller. To make it look like it's moving even faster, draw two short curved lines on either side of the propeller like so. And now you've got a helicopter.